Hi, I'm John Donohoe from the Ocean School of Healing at heal.ie. We'd like to invite you to a 2-day Sound Healing Level 1 workshop course where you will learn how sound healing can assist the natural inner healing process in the body. Learn how all the various sound healing instruments, including singing bowls, gongs and tuning forks, are used for one-to-one therapy with clients, or to help your family, or learn how to work with groups doing sound bath healing sessions. Learn all about chakras and how emotional issues can lead to blockages in the body's energy field, leading to illness. As soon as you complete this Level 1 Sound Healing Zoom workshop, you will receive access to our advanced Levels 1, 2 and 3 online Sound Healing Diploma course, which contains 67 sound healing video demonstrations and lectures, teaching you everything you need to know to become a qualified sound healing practitioner. Our online Sound Healing Diploma course is available for a full year, which gives you time to learn everything you need to know from the comfort of your own home, with ongoing support from our professional tutors. Our training school is established for over 30 years and is dedicated to teaching you our advanced holistic sound healing methods and applications. Start your healing journey today.